Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trading analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Voltas. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything, and where was my buy point according to my study and the strategy and the analysis. So I'll be telling you all these things in this video. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also we'll quickly do the Nifty 50 analysis for the day, how the market has performed for the day and everything. Okay, and before that, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the today's trade what I have done today. So today I have traded on Voltas. So as you guys can see here, we have traded without any indicators based on my unique strategy. So if you want to learn my strategy and the stock selection process and everything, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me, and I'll be guiding you all the things about stock selection and the live market guidance, everything I'll be guiding you. So now, if you see here, according to my study and the strategy, 1284 was a buy, and once we bought the stock has gone all the way up here and it has made a high of 1300 almost. Okay, so almost 15 points up it has gone. Okay, so I took my target up to 5 or 6 points and I've taken my exit by following my study and the strategy and following my trade discipline. So this is how the Voltas has been performed for the day on the buy side, and you can see the stock overall it had maintained a very good support level around 128 for the day. So it has not gone near our sell level which was there according to my strategy. So the stock was in a upper side itself today. Okay, so this is how the stock performed. And also if we quickly see Nifty 50 today, so Nifty 50 has closed at plus 0.44% up today. Not much of a bullish moment I can tell. So you can see how the market has performed for whole of the day. In the morning session it has gone up a little bit and then it consolidated a bit, and you can see the ending session, I can tell it's almost been a range bound kind of movement, not even a upside or a downside movement here. It was just in a range bounded. It has closed at 22,054 for the day. So this is a Nifty 50 chart for the day, and this is how the market has performed for the day. So if you see the Nifty 50 opening for the day, it was just 0.15% up around 21,990.95. Advances stocks were 35 and declines were only 10, and unchanged were 5 stocks. Okay, and if we quickly see how all the main sectorial indices has been performed for the day, you can see here that Nifty Auto has gone up by 0.94% up. Nifty Bank again closed at minus 0.14% down. And you can see a lot of other indices that they have not performed more here. Like Nifty Private Bank is only up by 0.18% up. And we can see the most gained indices for the day would be Nifty Metal with 1.54% up, and the most declining indices is Nifty IT with minus 0.82% down. So this is how all the Nifty indices has been performed for the day. So overall, this is how the market performed for the day, and this was the trade what I done today. So if you guys want to learn from me and to get personal live market support, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me personally. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.